Hello guys, I'm gonna play Hotline Racing 2. Today is Thursday and my sister's in this too.
Hey guys, if you have Roblox, we know, I think you will know this, but this is my
Brother? Jasmine? Jasmine is a girl, I'm a boy.
Yeah, so Anthony's Roblox is Blue Donald H805. Mine says Pink Lightning H8.
I think they don't understand you. No, she means Blue Thunder 80805.
Yeah.
And Jasmine's Roblox name is Pink Lightning 808. And I played Zombie Rush and I made a YouTube video about it.
And this one
Can you please subscribe some videos? I only got like 2 views, 15 views, 14.
Yeah.
But the total I got 35 views.
But comment down below if Adam will win all the rounds.
I will win all the rounds.
But comment below, guys.
Comment below which should I get after this race. If you don't have this game, I'm going to show you the card I should get. But only pick one. Think what you think is best for me. I'm a terrible driver, but I get first place because of this. A backflip and another backflip. That didn't count because it hit the hideous roof, which I don't like. I failed. If you're in this YouTube video, hi. And if you're thinking I'm a YouTuber, I am. And if you're thinking I'm recording, I am recording. Hi, Neon Sasha. I think you're good, but I could beat you. So, bye. Neon, like Neon Cat. Notice like me. Today is Thursday. By the time you see this will be like Friday. Saturday, Sunday, I failed my world. And I won. Commercial break. I'm gonna let you rest.
Yeah,
Just psych. I'm gonna get out of it. This shit. Guys, comments below. I should upgrade grip. I versus this guy before, but I had to get out because I lost and I wanted to rematch. I can beat him. What's the versus a ninja and a girl, I think. And I hate that girl one because she was about faster than me, but I beat her. I'm gonna How many races is this?
1,000?
No, only 4 races. And I'm definitely going to lose, guys. Comment below what should I upgrade next. I only have like 1,000 coins left. Well, please, help me. I'm so dead. Guys, I'm going to exit because I know I'm going to lose like that. Wow. Oh, great. Now I just died. Oh, I thought that was a monster there. So, I kind of like this, but I'm going to have something like this. Open 32, now I have 8. Carry. Who's Carry? Watch video. You have to watch all of it. I'll give you a rest. Okay, I'll give you 25 seconds to rest.
This is just a commercial.
It's actually 2019.
Yeah.
That game sounds cool, but I'm not gonna buy it.
Yeah, oh, that.
And I got this. Okay, I went too far and carry.
Yeah.
Wait right here, guys. I gotta talk to my mom for a minute. Okay. Let's continue. 24 other players. After this, I'm going to make a video of Roblox because we have to go to sleep soon, so I want to stop this at least on 7 minutes. And I'm going to do the Roblox video for at least 6 minutes, I think. Read City video on YouTube. I don't know how long this is going to update, but I'm just going to make the Roblox video. I'm going to hit 7 and I'm still doing the race. I'm just going to still continue with the race, and after that, bye guys, like that. And I'm first place right now, and I don't care because I'm already like 6 points or 3. If it's 3, I'm so terrible. If it's 6, I'm still good. Oh yeah, this is the second one. I'm definitely gonna lose. And I deserve 0 because I just backed up. I always win races, but this one, nope. Hope this is 4 races. Never mind, I'm gonna lose. I will have a second place medal. Nope. Bus is a bad idea.
That's what you've been doing the entire time since you got here.
Sorry guys, I had to pause because my parents had a conversation, and and in second place, my mom is smiling at me right now. She's telling me to go on the bed. I hope you have a great motorcycle day. Bye guys. Have a great